I will show you why do we need the pliers. So check the lights, have a problem with the turning light. Perfect, 102 psi. Let's go and check how our mechanic is doing trailer annual inspection. Okay, checking up wheel bearings. For this purpose, we're gonna use our Domkrate, checking that wheel bearings. How loose is it? How it feels? Good? Okay, not loose, all good. So we're gonna check all single axle this way. To check the tires, we don't need any fancy or special tools. Hammer, tread depth check, air pressure check. I will show you why do we need the pliers. So checking. Sounds good. Tread depth, not the best, but still passing all the requirements. Okay, so to check the air pressure, how the heck you can deal with that? Let me show you. We have to unscrew this cap and check the air pressure, as simple as that. We unscrew these parts so we can simply check the air pressure. Put it our gauge here and measuring the air pressure. I have only two hands, so let me check it. I'm gonna show you the result. Perfect, 102 psi. That's great. So let's put that auto inflation thing back. Screw it. Just screw it good so it can do the job. For this purpose, we need our pliers. Nice. All good. Don't forget to repeat all the things, all the steps for each and every tire, both sides as well. The next thing is the sliding rails. So driver has already checked how the trailer slides. Unfortunately, didn't catch him with my mechanic, but all the thing works. Pins go in, go out, tandems sliding back and forth, all safe and good. It's time to check brakes and wheel seals. In that case, we need to go under. My mechanic already checked brake chambers, and that is right here, and slack adjusters, all good. The play is okay. No air leaks on the airbags as well. For that purpose, he plugged in the air and checked it for leakage. So brake shoes is good. Wheel seal right there is perfect, no leaking and looks great. So check the lights, have a problem with the turning light. We're gonna take it off, buy exact same thing and replace it. We're gonna check if that's gonna work. And of course, DOT bumper, the rear impact bumper, has to be attached in good condition, and also that reflective tape should be present. This part could be a problem on a way station with like angry officers, so we're gonna put some piece here and probably there. That should be it. Inspection is done. We checked all the spots we need. Marking not applicable for anything goes to truck or a bus. Always done. Everything looks good. After we change that turning light, all good to go. After everything's done, inspection passed successfully, we gonna change our sticker and also put a new annual inspection here. The old one is garbage, we're gonna put a new one.